Customer service teams have to juggle between various tasks for ensuring high customer satisfaction, better operational efficiency, and agent development. They're constantly shifting between multiple applications and products to get their work done. Scheduling, training, and reporting are all time-consuming activities that require a lot of attention. And all the while, managers are always on call for their teams. Whether it's helping to solve a problem or just being there to talk, managers have a lot of responsibilities. Workforce optimization for customer service equips managers and teams with the tools they need to respond to ever-changing demands and service expectations they face daily. Using advanced omni-channel routing, shift scheduling, team performance reporting, and coaching and skills management, we'll show you how one customer service manager is changing the way she and her team get work done. Amy Jones is the manager of a customer support team. When she starts her day, she needs to be able to see a real-time assessment of her team and the workload demand they're facing in order to properly prioritize work and maximize the team's value. The landing page, which can be configured using the UI builder, provides a real-time overview of the current workload and the team performance. From here, she sees the important reports for cases that are currently assigned to her team, as well as information about the chats that are currently in progress. Work assignment gives her instant visibility into the distribution of agents across presence statuses, work items waiting in queues, and number of agents available. She can also see the stats on team performance, such as total open cases, cases closed, and chats completed. The Channel Management application provides her with a configurable, real-time look at channel-specific metrics such as unassigned work, agents available, resolution details, handling times, and other vital stats specific to the various channels that her teams support. She can also view the details of ongoing work, queues, and agent availability. Additionally, she can monitor chat queues and see messages that are being exchanged in real time. She can also choose to jump into certain interactions and provide helpful comments to agents without the end user knowing. Scheduling lets her create and update employee schedules with visibility into staffing coverage through any given date. She can create schedules to support a variety of models, including 24/7 coverage and follow the sun. Agents can manage their own schedules by requesting time off and swapping shifts with their peers. This empowers them and removes the burden of the manager having to manually adjust their schedules. The Teams application provides a window into the configured profiles of various teams. Relevant KPIs that she defines for those teams are displayed to provide insight into their performance and efficiency. More detailed views of individuals within those teams are also available to more accurately monitor the quality of service to determine what factors are contributing to positive and negative scores. Agent profiles provide relevant information about the agent, such as their individual stats, assignment group, team members, skills, upcoming time off, assigned trainings, and more. The coaching application gives Amy a way to monitor the quality of work her team is completing. She can configure individual quality indicators to focus on coaching and training opportunities. Additionally, she can track the skills that are most in demand and compare them with the skills her teams have. Finally, she can view and track quality score trends for each team she manages. Here, she can easily evaluate agent performance using embedded assessments to rate them, provide feedback, assign skills, and train them. Here, she can manage all her team's skills and proficiencies from one single view using the skill matrix. Ongoing maintenance of her team's skills is automated with predictive intelligence and skill recommendations. Workforce optimization for customer service combines the essential tools that customer service teams need into one integrated and intuitive product. This makes it easier to adapt to the ever-changing technology landscape while meeting the challenge of providing a great customer service experience. For more information, see our product documentation, knowledge base, or podcast, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.